Everybody. Today we are trying to read and write Citroen Despatch EDC17C60 ECU by bench programming via CAS master. All the connections has been made, and now we're gonna click on the read button. We are a quantum tuning EC programming center located in Westerham, Kent. We are called Moorhouse Garage Limited. This is who we are. You can reach me on 07 533 636 194 with your DPF, EGR, Adblue, NOx. Power loss, high fuel consumption, black or white smoke issues, injector turbo problems. We are certified engineers and certified diagnostic center, BMW partner centership. Please click on like button and please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.